Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be all about protective styling and how I prepare my hair to be installed in a unit. I just want to show you guys the details in every little step while still making this very calming. So the hair we're using today is from We Queen, so shout out to them for providing the hair for this video. It is a headband wig because right now I cannot handle lace fronts on my edges just because they're so fragile. So I'm going to work with this today, and that's what I've been working with for a bit, and you guys seem to love it. So here are some headbands that they provided, and the unit is in there. But before we get to that, let's prep our hair and make sure it is ready to be, put away. The first thing I do is add my hair growth oil to my edges. As I mentioned, they're very fragile, so I try to take care of them as much as I can because you can even see here, they're a little sparse in some spots. And then I just rub it in and make sure it's getting into my scalp. And then I add a little bit of water to hydrate my hair because oil doesn't hydrate. It just seals, I guess you could say. So I like to have both, and it really makes my hair nice and soft. The next thing I'm going to do is take some wet line gel, just a little bit, not too much, and this is what we're going to use to slick back our hair. You want a gel that is strong, but not too heavy that'll flake or get too hard. We still want this to look natural. So as you can see, I'm applying it to my edges, brushing it back a little bit with a hard bristle brush and making sure it's nice and smooth. We want it to be smooth so it matches the texture of this wig a little bit more than it would if we didn't brush it back. All right, so let's put on this wig cap and make sure everything is in place. I take these steps before actually putting on the wig because your edges need to be moisturized in order for it to be tamed as much as possible, if that makes sense. I always say dry hair doesn't cooperate as well, so you want to make sure that you hydrate and moisturize your hair even if it's just your edges. So first thing I'm doing is just pulling out my baby hairs. I'm not doing much. It's a little bit wet because there's gel in it, and I'm just pulling them out as much as I can, and then I will move on to the actual styling process. So now I'm using my edge control, and it has some color. It has a lot of color because I like to fill in my edges a little bit, make it more bold and make it a little darker. And I also apply the edge control to that part of my hair so then it looks fuller and it matches the wig that's on my head. So because I'm adding that, it kind of gives it an illusion of like just a fuller hairline, and that it's actually, I don't know, it just blends a lot better. So I just swoopty swoop my edges. Obviously you can do it however you like. You don't even have to do all this if you don't want to, but that's just how I make it look as sleek and smooth as possible. And then we're gonna put on this beautiful water wave unit that has the perfect amount of wave, the perfect amount of curls, in my opinion. It's one of those where you really don't have to do anything to. So this is fresh out of the box. It has a headband, as I mentioned, to protect my edges. It has some clips inside and a soft lace interior and a Velcro piece to attach. So this is really a put on and go. I basically just put it on like a hat. As you can see, I get it into the right place and then I secure it nice and tight behind my head so it doesn't move. I really love the structure of this headband wig specifically because I don't know what the difference is, but it fits a lot better on my head. I'm not sure why. I obviously don't know how to make them, but whatever they did, they're doing it right. So this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. You really don't have to do anything to it, but I'm just gonna add some water and product just so I can make sure that it, doesn't get frizzy throughout the day. Hold it down with a little bit of product so you keep it all together a bit more. First, I'm gonna add some hydrating oil. It's a very thick oil, as you can see. So it's gonna help tame the hair a little bit. So then at least when I go out into different elements outside, it doesn't get messy. So you wanna use something that's a little bit heavier than the usual everyday oil that you'd put on your scalp. Something that has more of a glycerin feel, silicone feel to it will really weigh down these waves and curls and kind of get it looking shiny and healthy. And then of course you want to focus on the ends, get them looking juicy. I'm just spraying them with a bit of water and mixing it in. Nothing serious. Adding a bit of product if I need to, and we're good to go. So it's just oil and water, and now it's looking shiny and just fresh. Looks like I just washed it. But honestly, this is right out of the box. So yeah, this looks really great. Now let's try some different headbands and see what it looks like with different colors. They got a few, so I'm just gonna pop them on. And I make sure that I don't ruin my edges or my makeup by doing it this way. I just place it on my head, then pull the hair through the back so you don't destroy the edges that you just worked so hard on. And yeah, this is the green one. It's really nice. I love this style of headband because it gives it a little bit of dimension as opposed to just a flat headband. But it looks good. Here's the green one. And this is the red one. Same style, same look, just a different color. And then the yellow is giving me life. It looks so good on my skin and it contrasts so well with the hair color. So I love that. The baby pink, of course, is always cute, always. And then this tan color I thought looked so nice on my skin because it's like, you know, 2 different shades of brown. I thought it was really, really nice. And then we have this gray color, which was perfect for my outfit. And I thought it gave me a very cozy winter vibe. So I think this is the one I'm going to wear today. It matched my sweater and I don't know, winter's here and I just feel like this is the look. I look like I'm ready to go to the grocery store, run my little errands, but I still look cute. So that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I just want to show you guys the process of how I get my edges to look super sleek, even with my type 4 hair. It does take longer if you do it this way, of course, but it's very much worth it because my hair looks so smooth and it stays this way all day, you guys. Bulletproof, I'm telling you. I will leave the products down below and the wig down below and you can check it out for yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it detailed, but very relaxing and very simple to follow, just to show you how simple natural hair care can be. I'll see you all in the next one.